Welcome to Education Hub for Kids. A for apple. A for ant. B for bat. B for ball. C for cat. C for car. D for dog. D for donut. E for elephant. E for egg. F for frog. F for fish. G for goat. G for grapes. H for hammer. H for horse. I for igloo. I for ice. J for jug. J for juice. K for kite. K for king. L for lion. L for leaf. M for moon. M for monkey. N for nose. N for nest. O for owl. O for ostrich. P for parrot. P for pigeon. Q for queen. Q for quail. R for rose. R for ribbon. S for sun. S for star. T for turnip. T for tree. U for umbrella. U for unicorn. V for vase. V for van. W for well. W for water. X for xylophone. X for xerus. Z for zebra. Z for zombie. Please subscribe our channel for new videos.